how to fix message notification sound on Android. Hello and welcome back, everybody. If your message sound is not working for WhatsApp, SMS, or any other application, you can just go and follow out these steps and you should be able to fix it. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can press the volume buttons and go ahead and tap on it. And what we can do is we can look out for this three dot or the settings icon on the volume slider and make sure the notifications options, this volume right here is turned up. And if your notifications are muted, because that may be the reason why you are not able to hear the messages. Also go to your settings, and within your settings, go to the notifications option. So go ahead and tap on notifications, and within notifications, look out for the option called do not disturb and tap on it, and go ahead and turn it off. DND blocks all the notification sounds. And apart from that, what we can do is we can check app notifications. For example, if you're not receiving messages from the Instagram, you can hold it up and go to the info. And from there, go ahead and look out for the option called notifications. And go ahead and turn this option on. Allow notifications, also sound and vibration. And that's it. You can set up a notification sound as well. Sometimes you can just go over and simply restart your device as well. That should fix many of the sound glitches. Also, you can try clearing out the cache. You can hold the application that's having the issue and go to the info, and from there go to their storage, and within there look out for the option called clear cache and clear it out. And that is it. Usually these are the methods that we can follow up to fix the message notification sound on Android. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.